Hello and welcome. I'm Pradeep Kadiala. I will talk about Financial Transaction Manager for check payment service on IBM Cloud Financial Services. IBM Financial Transaction Manager is a family of offerings such as checks clearing service, digital payments, and many more that helps banks and financial institutions drive agility and modernization. This improves processing consistency, reduces complexity, and helps cut an institution's total cost of operations. IBM Cloud Financial Services provide unique cloud capabilities with continuous compliance by enforcing financial regulations and providing industry-leading security capabilities defined by Financial Service Framework. It also enables banking industry to quickly innovate and transform into cloud-native or hybrid solutions and scale to the global market needs. Banks can leverage IBM Cloud Financial Services to port their financial products like FTM for check from on-prem to IBM Cloud. This gives the advantage of reduced infrastructure and operational costs with enhanced security and industry compliance through complete automation. Check clearing service, also known as FTM for check, is one of the payment services available on IBM Cloud Financial Services. FTM for C provides functionality to repay payments, perform quality control on incoming check data, store the checks in a secure storage, and finally deliver the check to outbound distribution in scheduled time period. Now I will walk you through a demo to perform check clearing operations like review, repair, detect duplicates, and distribute to the banking services to execute payments. A bank operator processes the checks from Financial Transaction Manager system with his credentials and the role assigned. Once the checks are uploaded into the Financial Transaction Manager system, business days should be created and activated. The operator can review the uploaded checks only on the scheduled business days. Operator can verify the uploaded checks at inbound physical transmissions. Operator can only review the checks once the uploaded file is processed. Multiple checks are uploaded as single batch file. Operator can verify the state of the uploaded batch file with loaded, reviewed, and repaired. Once the check files are processed and loaded, operator validates each check by verifying the image. Check images are validated as acceptable images or not acceptable images by looking at the quality of each image. After completing the review on all check images, operator can now repair the check images under forward payments. Operator can correct the missing information of each check payment by manually entering the data to repair the items. Check items can also be rejected if they are not valid. If there is further investigation required, operator can defer the items or can skip them altogether. Repaired check items are then further reviewed for any duplicates. The system will identify and provide a side-by-side comparison of duplicate checks. Operator can decide if they are duplicate or not duplicate. Batch file containing all the check items are marked as reviewed and repaired. Check items are now ready to be transmitted to external banking services to process the payments. Operator will select the check items under outbound transmissions and will run a final bill and release to distribute the check payments to their respective banking services. FTM for Check service is deployed on IBM Cloud Framework for Financial Services with curated reference architecture patterns. The framework is designed with the help of Financial Services Cloud Council, customer collaboration, proprietary financial groups, and industry standard compliance. IBM Cloud Framework for Financial Services comprises of IBM Cloud services including Red Hat OpenShift, HyperProtect Crypto Service, Elastic Compute, VMware, etc. The framework can be customized through a wide variety of independent service vendors and SaaS offerings that are financial service validated. The Security and Compliance Center provides a dashboard to define the controls and developer workflows. With continuous monitoring on security and compliance posture across the workflows, customers can assess, remediate, and adapt through automation. Here is a brief demo to deploy IBM Cloud for Financial Service Framework. User will follow step-by-step process to select the pattern, clone code repository, and generate API key to integrate with Security and Compliance Center. User can then customize the deployment configuration in the cloned source code to meet the non-functional requirements. Once the pipeline is configured, user will run the pipeline to create selected architecture pattern using infrastructure as code scripts. Security and compliance integration will perform code risk analyzer scans to meet the security standards before provisioning the infrastructure cloud services. After provisioning secure infrastructure on IBM Cloud, user can deploy applications like FTM independently or through IBM One pipeline automation. Finally, the SEC dashboard will provide the complete overview of compliance code and validations. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.